Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lannie if you are new here. So today for this video I decided to do a sleek low ponytail on my hair. It's almost been 2 years, you guys. In November it'll be 2 years since I did my big chop, so I'm finally able to put my hair in a ponytail, so this is pretty exciting for me. So when I was relaxed, it took no time for me to just slick my hair back and put my hair in a ponytail and that's it. But things are different now. So you know, I have naturally kinky, coily, curly hair, so you know, we have to do things in sections now. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just putting my hair into sections. I did want a deep side part because that is just my favorite, and I wanted a little swoop in the front. So I'm just putting my hair in place so when it's time to style, everything will be good to go. So I have my little tools here. I have some gel, of course. My favorite gel is the Extreme Wetline Gel. I also have a brush and a scrunchie. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is my first section. I'm just gonna put a little bit, a good bit of that gel on that section and brush it, of course, and then I'm going to take my scrunchie to hold that into place while I work on the next section. So that's pretty much the process, you guys. I'm just going to go section by section, put some gel on each section, brush it, and I'm also going to be using my comb as well to kind of help smooth each section as well. I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video that my hair is freshly washed, and it also has leave-in conditioner in it. Moisture is very important for me, but especially if I'm using drying products like gel, my hair definitely needs to be moisturized. All right, so now I'm gonna just be quiet and let you guys watch the process. All right, so now that that workout is done, I'm gonna just go ahead and take out my scrunchie and put into rubber bands. For my little ponytail, I'm just gonna spray it with some water, and I'm gonna be using that same Wetline Extreme gel and rake that through my hair. I'm also going to be using a little bit of this wrap foam just to help with the flyaways and to bring a little sheen to my hair once it's dried. Also put a little bit of that foam and the gel on my tendrils, and now I'm just going to take a satin scarf and tie my hair up. I did sleep with this overnight just to make sure that my hair was completely dried and set for the next day. So this is the next day. I'm just going to go ahead and take off my scarves. I did end up using 2 scarves just to make sure that my hair stayed flat while I slept. But I'm just going to fluff out my puff, and I'm just going to use a little bit more of that gel to kind of sleek my edges. You guys, I've never had thick edges and it's okay, especially after I had kids, girl. They just kind of snatched my little poor edges out. But anyway, my hairstyle came out super cute. Love the tendrils on the side. I just think it gives the hairstyle some character and some sass. I just really like it, you guys. I hope you did too. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I thank y'all for clicking and watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.